Overlay windows are a powerful way to keep users focused while giving them the flexibility to take quick actions without leaving their current screen. Whether it's updating records, viewing multiple reports in a single overlay window, or completing a form, overlays make workflows faster and more seamless. In this video, we'll be using a fictitious patient portal with sample data purely for demonstration purposes. None of the information you see here is real. Let's see how in Caspio we can configure overlay windows. Once you are inside your Caspio account, you want to develop your application inside the Flex framework. Then navigate over to your Designer tab and then go ahead and set up your very first app page if you haven't done so already. In the video today, I've built my app page in advance. It's called New Patient. And when you create your app page, on the right side, you can leave it as a regular app page, which is full width, or you can turn it into an overlay window, which resembles a pop-up. Inside this overlay window, you can add as many data parts as you want. That includes charts, reports, pivot tables, submission forms, update forms, any type of data part that you want. You can also change the width and height accordingly. So if you are fitting multiple data parts, chances are you will have to change the width and height so that you can see all of that information. You can add your title. And down below in the bottom bar, you can customize the appearance of your buttons, and we're going to talk about that in just a few seconds. For now, let's go ahead and add our first element, and I will move the submission form inside the overlay window because we are creating a brand new patient. Choose your patient's table as your data source. I'm going to select all of my fields, click Next, and just for the interest of time, I will keep all the fields as is. However, keep in mind that you can customize the appearance of your form however you want. I will click Save, and we should be able to see our form inside the overlay window. When you first add your data part, you will notice how the buttons are not aligned. And if you wish to align the button, you can click on the app page level, click on Manage under Controls, and then just simply move your button wherever you want. I will move it above my Close button, click Save, and now you can see that I have both of my buttons side by side. If you wish to rename the button to something else, you can, and that's very useful. And let me explain why. So if you click on the data part, there's your submit button. If you click on the pencil icon, you can change the post-action behavior. So for example, the floating confirmation leaves the form open and you can continue adding additional patients. So what I would do is change that to a custom label to maybe say, save and keep open. And a lot of times I will just use the same for my name as well so that I know what that button is supposed to do. I will hit save, and now you can see what it says down here. Save and keep open, which means the form will remain open even after I click the submit button, and I can continue adding additional patients. But what if we wanted to add an additional button to submit and close that screen? You can add a brand new button to your footer controls. Let's call this one Save and Close. I will highlight and copy. The action is going to be Submit, Custom Label, Save and Close. And then for post-action behavior, I want to open up my app page that just lists all of my patients. In other words, when I submit the form, it's going to close the overlay and it's going to redirect me to the list of all of my patients. I will click Save. Now you will see that button up here. Click on the app page level. Click Manage, and then go ahead and move that button wherever you want. I will move it underneath the first one. Click Save, and now all three of my buttons are side by side. Now, in order for my application to open up this overlay window, I will need to navigate over to my Manage Patients app page where I see the list of all of my patients. I will click on that data part. On the right-hand side, you will find something called Header Controls. Click Add. Let's give it a name, New Patient. Action is going to be open an app page, and then simply just look for the app page that's an overlay window, which is New Patient, and then give it a label, New Patient. Click Save, and you will now see that button. The expected behavior is when you click on that button, it's going to open up the New Patient overlay window where you just added that submission form. So let's see what that looks like on our deployed application. Let's go ahead and refresh the page. And when you refresh the page, you're going to be able to see that newly created button. When you click on it, it's going to open up the overlay window. with the form that we just created. And we've created 2 additional buttons here. One that submits the form and keeps the overlay window open. And the second one submits the form, closes the overlay window, and then we're able to see that submission listed here in the results page. Overlay windows are incredibly powerful. They make your applications much more efficient, and as seen at the beginning of the video, you can create and link multiple overlay windows if you want to see additional information pertaining to each one of your patients or whatever the use case may be. So in this use case, we have the health snapshot where we can see multiple reports pertaining to each patient. We also have the ability to edit patient details. And then we have the ability to see upcoming appointments. I definitely recommend that you take advantage of overlay windows because, again, it accelerates your app and it makes the end user experience much more satisfying. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.